guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather. I am a mama to 4 kiddos. I will be doing a deep clean with me refrigerator edition. I will be deep cleaning my refrigerator. I will be pulling out all the stuff that has gone bad, cleaning everything down because I am doing a major grocery trip tomorrow, so I have to get it all ready for all the food that I'm going to buy tomorrow. So before I waste any more time, let's get started. So as you can see, this is what the refrigerator looks like right now. It's pretty bare for our family. It's not too dirty. My kids have dropped something right there that I need to clean off. Let's see the side of my refrigerator. Can you tell we like condiments? Yeah, so it's not too bad, but I do have some food that needs to be thrown out, and I need to reorganize and definitely clean the sides and the shelving and the drawers.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh. Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
Give it a big like, subscribe if you're new, also turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
This place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow.